Me and Harold Mumford were outdoorsmen, set in our backwoods ways. Both members of the hunting club, both active in the NRA, National Redneck Association. We scouted a location where we had no doubt we'd kill the biggest buck in the world. About a 34-pointer. Harold waited in his tree stand, but all he seen was a squirrel. Dang near 2 weeks since the season started, and neither one of us was amused. We had on real tree camo, high-powered ammo, but no big game to shoot. Then we finally saw a deer as big as a horse. Harold had him in his crosshairs. Shoot him! But that squirrel jumped off a branch above us and landed in Harold's hair. What is that? Hey, get it out! Hey! Harold fell off the stand. On his head he landed like a wimp. He laid there and cried till I climbed on down, picked him up off the ground, and it didn't take us long to decide that squirrel had to die. Goodbye, squirrel with black-eyed peas. You're gonna taste good to me, squirrel. It's your meat. Come on out of that tree, squirrel. Hey, guess what? You've eaten your last nut, squirrel. Me and Harold went down to the surplus store, bought a keg of dynamite, 2 baseball bats and a case of M80s. We were in for one heck of a fight. We'll show you when you're hunting with Dumb and Dumber, something's surely bound to go wrong. Now be careful. And when Harold lit that real short fuse, I knew it wouldn't be long. When the dynamite blew, Harold's foot did too, and fingers began to fly. We were barely alive when the game warden arrived, and much to our surprise, that squirrel didn't die. Gosh! Goodbye, squirrel. Just one more shot. You'll be in my crock pot, squirrel. You'll make a lunch. You overgrown chipmunk, squirrel. I'll skin you high and make a hat when it's dry, squirrel. Can't blame Harold. My gosh, Ronnie Millsap could shoot better than you. Give me, I said, give me that gun. Look out! Look out, no! I think I killed something. I've been known to lay here and watch TV all night, flipping through the channels but can't find a thing I like. What happened to my favorite shows? Where they went, I'd like to know. Right now what I need most in my life's more Beaver, Wally Ward and June, them air cleavers. Nothing else will do. Seinfeld's awful funny, Home Improvement's kinda cool, but what I'd really like to see on my TV's more Beaver. Now Nick and I done brought them good old shows back from the past. My 3 sons in happy days are here again at last. Them Technicolor black and whites, I dream of Jeannie day and night. The only thing that I like more than MASH is more Beaver. See him and Wally fight, why hello Mrs. Cleaver. Eddie Haskell's so polite. I've seen every episode 100 times or more, I know. But one thing you can't get too much of in life's more beaver. That never hurt no one. I've been watching ever since that I was young. Now each night when I go to bed, I turn the TV on instead. My wife will tell you just how much I love more beaver.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brad Paisley on lead guitar. Stroke it. Bet you can't play the piano. That's why he's nominated for Entertainer of the Year. Talent. I bet you $5 you can't play a fiddle. Would you take $3.50? Sorry. Give me that guitar. I'll show you how to play it. Yeah. Thanks for showing me that lick there, Brad.
More beaver. Y'all thought that I was done, gonna keep on singing. I'm having too much fun. This here is just a silly song, and I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Do you think I'm ever gonna get me some? Me neither.
Always a lazy one, a Southern Californian, but I've got some kinfolk on the Mason-Dixon line. So this summer, just for fun, hopped in my DeLorean and headed for my uncle's farm for a short time. I thought that I would be hunting and fishing. I misunderstood him somehow. So far there's nothing but chores here to mention. I didn't mind feeding the sows, but how do you milk a cow? How do you milk a cow? I wasn't in FFA. This cow must think I'm crazy up under it this way. I'm sitting here pulling, but there ain't nothing coming out. Oh, me, I-I-O. How do you milk a cow? I love it here in Tennessee, but these farmers all make fun of me. Can't haul much hay in a tiny sports car. So I got myself a four-wheel drive, learned to spotlight deer at night. And I've got shearing sleep right down to an art. One thing's for sure, I hate shoveling manure. It gets all over my overalls. Them horses need shoeing, I hear Bessie mooing. So I thought maybe I'd ask you all, how do you milk a cow? How do you milk a cow? I think it's safe to say a man could get arrested for this in LA. This heifer must be empty, cause she ain't putting out. Oh, me, I-I-O. Tell me, how do you milk a cow?
This song is absolutely an utter disaster. I hope I don't get mad cow disease.
How do you milk a cow? I no longer care. I'm getting sick and tired of smelling derriere. I'm heading back to Cali and I'm turning in my plow. Oh, B-I-I-O. How do you milk a cow?
Paul does this kind of thing every day.
Yeah, like what? Skip a rehearsal? You know we got the CNA Awards tomorrow night. What are we gonna do about a drummer? Hey, you. Come here. You ever played drums before? No. Want to? Yeah. Get in there and beat them in. Okay, hot dog. Start the song, you little showboat. Who you think you are, Tommy Lee Jones? Let's go. Not bad for a 4-year-old.
Been dang near 2 years since I've had a beer. By gosh, that's changing tonight. Gonna start me a tab, call me a cab.
That's it.
Might even get in a fight. I ain't gonna hog wild it forever. Gonna have myself a night I can't remember. Miller Lights, shot a crown. Man, that stuff burns going down. One too many Coke and Jacks. It'll all come flooding back. That old Cuervo's way too strong. But one more before I go home. Fire up the blender. Gonna have myself a night I can't remember. Give me a cold towel and a gun. Drunk ain't my style, and it'll be a long while before I pull that stun again. Oh, my head, Tylenol and Tums. Oh no, here it comes. I'm praying to the porcelain. This hangover can't last forever. Done had myself a night I can't remember. Oh, shot out the lights, kicked down the door, woke up face down on the floor. I better call someone and ask, how'd I wind up in this cast? I got stamps on both my hands. I wonder who slung that beer can right through my window. Done had myself a night I can't remember. My dang liver's nearly gone. NAA's where I belong. Hey, thanks, bartender. Done had myself a night I can't remember. 12 steps my foot, I can't even take 2. And by the way, kid, you're hired. Just no drinking. I mean it. Hand me that balloon right there. Boy, I used to love to do this when I was a kid. Watch this. Hey, watch this, girls. Watch this.
Plow boy. Ain't that funny? Plow boy.
Well, I'm packing up my truck and I'm gonna head down south where real men pack the lips with dips in the mouth. Start a moonshine steal, sleep in a tent, buy some cheap livestock, find some land to rent. Then I'ma Cletus tee it up and down the farm with a couple of barns, a baby calf in my arms. You know I hate to brag, but I'll be tilling the most. Run a barbed wire fence from post to post. Keep shells in my gun, deer heads on my wall. Live out in the sticks and wear overalls. Why? Because I wanna find me a home in a cow town, baby, where the buffalo roam. Read the Farmer's Almanac for all the right reasons. Make sure my crop is the top for next season. Cletus T's the farming freakazoid. Yeah, I'm heading down south, sucker, because I wanna be a plowboy, baby.
With my gold raised hat on my John Deere tractor.
Plowboy, baby.
Red man pouch full of chewing tobacco.
you hear my rooster crowing when the day begins? He goes, in lust for a hen, homeschooling, home fries, good homemade wine. We'll harvest the fields,
but not before it's time.
plant peas and beets, green beans and rice, haul manure from the barn to fertilize. And if the price is right, I'm gonna sell my hay boy and let Georgia know why they calling me